All right, guys, I'm back from the 2023 Red Bull Tennessee Knockout. It was a blast. You know, very cool electric racing there. Electric Motion was there. Suron was there. Stark was there. Even more exciting gas racing. It was just a really long, fun, hot weekend. But the news I got for you guys is, yes, I got to ride a Stark Varg. Finally, I actually got to ride one, not on a motocross track, on a grass track. Let's look at this right here. Yep, that is old Dad right there. Put on the new Fly Formula S helmet and took this thing 8 or 10 laps around a grass track. And I had 3 modes set up for me by Jason from Stark, a 38 horsepower, 43, and 48. Did a couple laps, went from the 38 to the 43. 43 was good, but I wanted to try that 48. I hit that 48, and this thing was, I mean, it was a grass track, a little bit of loose dirt, couple ruts, but it was kind of hard to control that rear wheel already at 48 horsepower. So I can't imagine what this must be like at around 70 or 80 horsepower, even at a gnarly sand track or something like that. I did get some GoPro footage in portrait mode that I'm going to be uploading for you guys in the next couple days and breaking down the ride a little more. But I just wanted to tell you, it's everything I thought it could be. Yes, it's 260 pounds, but you don't feel it. You feel it a little bit when you're braking into a turn straight, but as soon as you try to flick that bike from side to side, it is absolutely amazing. Forks felt pretty good to me. Rear shock felt great. The way you can adjust everything on the bar pad is amazing. It's super slim. Loved the ergonomics. Nothing gets hot. There's a gearbox on the other side of the bike right there that gets warm to the touch. Guys, you know, I was already a proponent of electric. Alta sold me on this years ago, but this bike feels like a much new and improved Alta. So I'm 100% going to jump on board on one of these, no doubt about it. So if you are up in the air, let me tell you, don't believe the hype.